So this is a very early version of my concept car. It's mainly meant to show the kind of location of everything and how it's kind of gonna look. I haven't dealt with like the internals, but I kind of like have an area for them to go. Um, Starting off towards the front end, I kind of experiment with these headlights. These might change, but I kind of like something unique like that. I don't know if I might try something completely different with those, but we'll see. Obviously my emblem's gonna be there, and then you have your grills. It's gonna be dual. I'm not sure how the internal's gonna work, but I definitely want a combustion engine. I don't want no electric. I mean, electric might make it like a lot easier. I feel like that kind of takes away from the cool factor. I'm not gonna lie. So you have your vented hoods. That I might experiment with another design other than a vent, something that goes with this arch that might look really clean. Um, the body work is gonna go out from all these lines, and it's gonna have a seam that runs across in the middle, maybe just in this middle portion. But yeah, it's gonna completely change the structure of this model. It's gonna look really nice. These I was planning on putting vents. Same here, just kind of like to show the general area, like the kind of basic skirt. Everything is going to pretty much sit on top of where it's going to be jolted out from the bodywork. Then you have your tail end where I have giant beams for your tail lights, which for these, like for turn signaling and stuff, I wanted to do like go in a direction, like follow the flow or something. That'll look really cool. And then the whole thing probably like lights up for just braking, and then maybe something a little different for e-braking, but look pretty cool. I wanted a big ass wing on it. It's gonna look a little more sleek. Probably not like have a second like piece sticking out and like have this fin, or I might make it like one giant piece. I don't know. You could probably experiment with that one, but I want like a big fin. And then you have your insides. I hate how that sticks out. I want to figure out something completely different. I don't know if maybe have it completely just be a horizontal to you. That'd be pretty cool. But other than that, I knew I wanted like a giant cool screen for your speed and everything. Then you have some dials and stuff, probably some buttons that you can use, and then your main screen for like your radio, and then like your shifter. That is gonna have to be moved somewhere closer. The seat is gonna change a lot because the seat's very raised. I'll have to figure out the position of it. The whole thing might also get longer because I'm not sure the size for the hood. We might need the hood to be a lot longer for like a V8. I'm not sure what kind of engine it'll take at this scale, but it's just kind of to show what I would like. It's inspired off of the DeLorean, obviously. I just love that style, and I'd love to make like a muscle car out of it. I mean, it's only two seats right now. I maybe if I extend the entire thing, I could probably extend the rear end, and maybe we could fit some tight seats or something. I don't know, but I think it looks pretty nice. I'm excited to like actually round it off and have like a second model showing that. I would also have to figure out the scale completely, so we have that, and then it would just be like internal base stuff.